Hello lovely family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll learn how to make this rushed dress. Thank you so much for all your support on this channel, and if you're watching me for the first time today, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell because I upload videos on this channel every week. So let's begin. So first I've transferred my pattern on a plain pattern paper and I've just extended the bodice to create the full length of the dress because we're going to be making a long dress. So the pattern was transferred without that. So you just work with your actual measurement. So you need to modify the neckline. It depends on the kind of neckline you want. So I want to go with a canoe and I'll measure 5.5 for the neck width, and for the neck depth I'll go with 4 inches. Modify this to suit your preference. From the edge of your shoulder line, just measure 13.5 from the armhole to create your sleeves, and it's going to be batwing. We're not going to cut out this armhole, so just measure 13.5, and the depth you can measure any length you want. I'm working with 18 inches. Now from that point you just connect that straight to under the armhole. Just add your 1 inch seam allowance. You just cut out the pattern and cut straight on fabric. Let me just mention that if you're working with a stretchy fabric like lycra, scuba or any spandex fabric, you don't need to add any seam allowance to this pattern. You just need to work with the actual measurement. Then you take away your 1 inch from the measurement of the dress so that by the time you stretch it, it fits nicely. Cut the back neckline and leave out the front one because you will use this to cut the back pattern and the front pattern. Okay, so since we're working with a stretchy fabric, you don't need this seam allowance, but if you're working with a fabric that's not stretchy, that's when you have to add the seam allowance. Cut some straight pieces of fabric of 2 inch width, and it should be as long as the length of your dress times 4. Just sew the neckline, sew the sleeves, sew all around the dress. Then when you've made your straight stitch in here, you're going to now fold it to the 2 sides of the seam like so. Sew that from top to bottom. Sew the other side as well from top to bottom. Then we prepare these pieces of fabric. What we're going to do here is to turn them on the wrong side. Then you're going to sew, then you turn it inside out. Now we've done the seams, so we need to pass this rope through the hole. Just make sure you create a hole at the bottom. You pass it through the casing all the way to the top. Then when you get to the top, you're going to turn and go down through the other side. Now do same on the other side. Then your dress is ready. Style it in different ways. And style it long or short, 3/4, one side, just different ways. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your time. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and turn on the notification bell as I upload videos on this channel every week. Kindly have a look at my other videos. I've got over 100 videos on this channel, and you'll definitely find something you want. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.